Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we will make this tow truck. So this is actually chained. So let's start, and it is easy to build. Okay, so first we need this part with some this part. Done. And now we need these parts. We will join them, and here we go. So now we need this part, or if you have another part like this, you can use it. And we also need this. Place down it here. Okay, so now let's make the light. So first we will make the headlights. For this we need this brick, this part, light, and then the grey light, the mud guard on the both sides. And then this part, and 4 grills. So we need 4 grills, grey grills. So it is like this. And now let's make the backlight. So for this we need again this brick with some brakes, or you can add any color like circle ones, square ones. So this is done. And now we need to add this part. And now we need this part. So basically I have 2 of them, and the nameplate, and 2 grey grills again. Done. And now let's join them. Okay, so now we have the boat light. So the headlight will place here, and the backlight will placed here. Done. And now we will put this part and we need 2 parts like this. And now we need this part. So this is actually a small sliding part. We will place it here. And now let's add, I think I have placed it wrong place. So it is like here. Okay. And now let's make the doors. So for this we need these parts. So actually you need 2 of them. And now the seats. So it is done like this. And now let's cover the back with again these 2 parts. And we finally have this brick, and Now we will place it here. Okay, so now we will now add these parts which joins the wheel. So we will place it here first and then here at the same place, or you can add to any place. And now we need the seat. So to make the seat we need this, and so actually I accidentally broke. So now we will place this part here, and for some time, to join a part we need this dashboard to maintain the speed. Okay, so it is joined, and now we need the steering wheel, or you can use any color because I have only this steering wheel. So I will put it here, and finally I will put this piece. Okay, so it is done, and now we will be needed the glass, or you can say the window, and finally the roof. Done. And now we need this part. So this is a holder, so we will place it here. And now this part is common in your set, so it is like this. Or you can fit it to other shape, or you can fit it in other shape. So we need the chain, and now we will place it in the end piece. So it is like this, and now we need this part at the rear, and now we need this part looking like that. And also with this brick I forgot to add this piece, so it will be here. So it is now the whole process, so it is there. And now we need the yellow grills, so one we will place it here and then here. And now we need this part, we will place it here. And now we will finally add the tires. Okay, done. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you all next time.